Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella, for those of you guys that don't know me. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you subscribe and be part of the Ella Harry family. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about rice water. Now, if you're somebody who watches YouTube videos and if you have natural hair or you just watch a lot of natural hair YouTubers, even if you don't have natural hair, you've probably realized that this rice water trend has been on YouTube for a while now. Like, not the trend itself did not just start, but like in the natural hair community, I feel like it started like 2 years ago, like maybe longer, but it has resurfaced again. And you're seeing videos of people trying out rice water and like people saying how good it is and benefits and like the growth that they've gotten, which is totally fine. I'm actually going to do the same thing. I have tried rice water before, and I'll tell you guys how it went and why I'm trying it again. So the things about these videos that we're seeing on YouTube is rice water does actually work, but I feel like they don't tell you what you need to know if you're using rice water. So for example, I tried rice water like I want to say like 9 months ago or like a year ago. I tried rice water, and when I tried it, my hair was so soft, like so soft. So I just like I did everything, then I put the rice water rinse. That was the last thing. So I did that. Since my hair was soft, I just put like a little bit of oil and I called it a day, which is something that I would not do on a normal day. So obviously my hair felt really dry. It felt like there was no moisture in my hair. My hair all started breaking. Like when my hair gets really dry, it starts breaking. So that was what happened, and I was like, I'm never trying this again. Rice water did not work for me. I'm not doing this again. So I started watching videos, and I realized that even though your hair might feel soft, rice water is not a is not a leave-in conditioner. Like, it is not a conditioner. You're still supposed to do everything that you're doing to maintain your hair. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be letting you guys know that I want to do a 30-day challenge. Actually, you know what? Let's do a 3-month challenge, and then every 30 days, so every month, I'll give you guys an update on how long my hair is, or like if I saw any difference or whatnot. So I'm hoping that you guys can join me in doing this challenge. I think that it would be really nice if we all did it together, and like, you know, in this new year, let's all have long hair and flourish. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be doing a 3-month challenge. Please feel free to join me. If you want me to show a video of how I make my rice water, definitely leave a comment down below. But I'm also going to tell you guys things that you need to know before you start this challenge, because I feel like that is something that most videos on here are missing. They don't tell you what you need to know. So I have my notes here. So like I said, rice water is not a leave-in, and that was something that I got mistaken, because my hair felt really soft. So I was like, whatever, like I'll just put oil and call it a day. But the way my natural hair works, it doesn't roll like that. Like, you have to do this. You can't skip steps in my natural hair journey. You can't skip steps. So obviously I was like, okay, well, if my hair is soft, I can just put oil and call it a day. That I played myself, because that was a huge mistake. So please don't do that. Even if you're using rice water as like rice water rinse, or like using rice water every day, still do your normal steps. If you're going to do a leave-in conditioner and oil and something else, still do that, because rice water is not a leave-in conditioner. It is actually a treatment. It's a protein treatment. So the second one, it is a protein treatment. So if you know that your hair doesn't like protein, then maybe don't use it as often. Watch videos where people use the rice water like every day as a spray, like a leave-in. It's in your spray bottle. And then I've also watched videos where people use it as a rice water rinse on wash day, and which is fun. Like, there are different methods that work for different people. But if you know specifically that your hair does not like protein, so if you found that anytime you do a protein treatment, your hair feels dry and brittle, don't use it as often. So don't follow the girl's video. There's this YouTuber, I can't remember her name. She has super long hair. I'll leave her name in the description box. But she used it every day as a leave-in. So if you know that your hair does not like protein, don't go and do what she's doing, because your hair doesn't like protein, her hair is not the same. So I find that some people are finding it hard to use rice water or like finding problems with it because their hair doesn't like protein, but they're like, well, it works for that person, so it definitely must work for me. It doesn't matter if my hair likes protein or not. So please, 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 if your hair doesn't like protein, if you find that your hair is starting to get dry, instead of using it every week, maybe use it like every 2 weeks, or maybe use it like once a month or something like that. So the third one, I feel like the third one still goes back to what I was saying. Listen to your hair. Just because you're seeing a lot of YouTubers doing it and getting length retention or like growth, it doesn't necessarily mean that that would be the same thing. And I feel like people get caught up with the fact that they're watching most of their favorite YouTubers and they're watching that it's working for them, so they're not actually listening to their hair. They just want to do what this other person is doing, and that's not how it works. That's not how it works. Like, you have to listen to your hair. You have to listen to what is going on with your hair. If you find that your hair is dry all of a sudden, or if you find that you're starting to shed hair when you didn't used to do that before, if you find that even when you put products on your hair, products aren't like sipping into your hair, and this only started after you started using the rice water, like that is something that you have to pay attention to. But if you're more caught up with what the other people on YouTube are doing, that's not something that you notice, and that's how you damage your hair, and that is far from the goal. Like with rice water, we're not trying to get damaged hair, okay? So listen to your hair. So the last one that I have here is keep up with your healthy hair habits. So I've made a video about how to grow hair, like it's somewhere on the screen. And over the years, I feel like my hair has been so many different lengths. One is because I get really scissor happy. I just cut up my hair. Like, I had no problems doing that. I've never really been big on like waist length hair. Like, it would be nice to have long hair, but it wasn't ever my priority. I just wanted to have healthy hair, quite frankly. So I have done a video here on YouTube. I'm going to leave it on the screen, where I talked about things that you have to do if you want to grow your hair, and that included like having natural hair habits, like having good healthy habits. So like drinking more water, like eating the right food as compared to eating a lot of junk food, just things like that. So this point is saying that you have to keep up with your healthy habits, because yes, rice water will make your hair grow, but I feel like there are other things that contribute to making your hair grow. So if you're just using right water and you're not eating right and you're not exercising and you're not drinking more water, you're not moisturizing your hair, obviously like it's not going to work, because to grow hair there are a lot of things that goes into the mix. It's not like it's not necessarily like a one step type of thing. So if you're using this, you also have to keep up with your healthy habits. The same thing that you've been doing to grow your hair, keep doing those things. Don't just slap because you're like, hey, well, this is the magic pill, so, or this is the magic potion, so hopefully this will work. Don't use that as an excuse to slap. So yeah, those are the points that I have. Let me know if there are other things that you think people should know. Leave in the comment section down below. Let's have a healthy conversation. So yes, let's just say that I'm going to be starting this challenge on, today is Friday the 11th. I'm going to be starting this on January 13th. So I'll give you guys time to like watch this video and join along. And then February 13th, I'm going to do a video to let you guys know where my hair is at. But before I start, I'll just show you guys. You guys, please don't even come for me in the comment section. Don't. I probably should have taken all of my hair out, but I've been wearing wigs for as long as I can remember, so I didn't feel like taking down the braids. So so before we start this challenge, I'm going to show you guys the length of my hair currently. Okay, so oh my god, my hat. Okay, so this is where my hair is currently. It is really close to my chin. Like it is really close to my chin. So like, yeah. So you guys, and then I will do the back as well. Okay. So I'm just going to do the back, and this is where my hair is at. So just like that, both this is where this challenge, I'm actually going to do the spray bottle method. So I've watched a few videos where people actually spray it on their hair every day. So I've already put it in my spray bottle, and when I make my rice water, I also put drops of peppermint oil so I don't smell, because I don't want to smell the rice. I've heard that it really does smell as time goes on, and I don't want that. I don't want to smell the rice water, so I already put mint oil in this, so I can't actually smell the rice water. So I'm going to be spraying this onto my hair like every day, and I feel like in a month I'm going to see if my hair is really, not even in a month, it shouldn't take me a month to realize if my hair is like really hard, and if I feel like it's hard, then I'll start doing like the rice water rinses. So for now, this is the route that I'm taking. While I'm spraying this is not a leave-in conditioner. I'm still going to be spraying my leave-in conditioner. This is just the treatment. This is not even supposed to go on your entire head, just your scalp, in my opinion. So I'm going to be spraying this on my hair, and I'm still going to be spraying my leave-in conditioner. I'm still going to be putting my oils, but this is the route that I want to take. And in a month, I'll reevaluate if I want to start doing rinses or if I want to continue doing this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Let me know what videos you want to see. Like I said, let me know if you've tried rice water. Let me know other things that you think we should know. Let me know if you want to see a video of how I made my rice water. Let me know if you're going to be joining me. Let me know if you're going to be joining me in this challenge, because I think it would be exciting if we all did it together, because we all need to grow and flourish and have long hair together and kill stuff. Okay, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.